Happiness is found in three things. 1. Letting go of what is gone. Isaiah 43 verse 18 says, forgetting the former things and don't dwell on the past. 2. Enjoying what is available, what is here. Di madama. Philippians 4 verse 12, I have learned the secret of being content in any and every situation, whether well-fed or in hungry, whether living in plenty or in want. And number 3, trusting what is ahead. Revelation 22:12 says, look, sabi ng Panginoon, I am coming soon. My reward is with me. I will give to each person according to what he has done. So magtiwala tayo, lubos-lubosang tiwala sa ating Panginoon. At makikita mo, happiness or kaligayahan na hindi kayang bilhin ng mundo.